Hello everyone. So this particular node is for a smart home node. Here we have a couple of things. First is this 5 volt 1 ampere voltage regulator, which will take AC supply and give a 5 volt 1 ampere of constant voltage. That will help that we will connect to this PCB, which have this ESP32, and yeah, you can check ESP32s. And we are also having circuit AC dimmer circuit and one relay module with two channel of relays, some screws that will help us to put all of these things in AC uh, uh, socket box. We have some wires to connect AC supply. We also have a socket to connect over there. We have some bulb holder and some cover which were there for this particular box, but we have attached a particular female to male kind of jack jumper wire, which help us to connect with this aluminum foil so that it will act as a touch sensor. So whenever someone touches it, ESP32 have that touch component in it, so that will have that. One is screwdriver and some caps that will cover the screws. So we'll put major things aside and let's fix the components over there in the box. So we will now take our PCB. We'll majorly place in the middle. Before that, we'll use a double-sided tape to make that stick over there correctly. So this is how it will get fixed. And for time being, I have taken a phase and neutral AC wire just to show the demonstration for you, for the connectivity. I'm just sticking it over here, right? And yeah, and this is going to be the again going to directly to AC supply, and we can connect it with our board and majorly wire over there will main to connect it over there. So yeah, just keeping it over here. Here we will place it, so we need to again take some more double-sided tape. And this is the output power, positive and negative. I will put it in this section. Like this. Then we have a AC dimmer module that we will put it over here in this side. You can again take the wires, it's already been labeled in that. Became a bit congested over there, so can, it's up to you where you want to place it. Also it's up to you to take a bigger board so that you can have a room to connect things over there. I can just take it off and then connect again. This is the thing which we get it from double-sided tape, or I will also use some masking tape so that it won't get removed next time. This is how we will fix it. And for this side, we have the AC dimmer. We have positive ground and then zero condition and then dimmer data, right? So this is how the pins are, and it's very common in all type of AC dimmer module. Then orange and then yellow. So this side connection is there, and as I mentioned, we also need to give a AC supply to it. So this is how we can take up some AC wires, for example, and we can give the AC supply to the dimmer module. We can take it from here for an example. You can use a screwdriver to connect the things. Here there will be two jack, one is for input and another is for output, so that way you can use it. So this is how it will look like, and we'll connect it phase and neutral. As I already mentioned in the circuit diagram, you do need to connect the AC supply side to directly AC supply, so therefore we are just connecting in that same fashion. So this is how an AC supply will be taken as an input, and based on the data that comes from node MCU, it will convert it into dimming AC supply with less percentage or over percentage kind of, and here you can add fan load or something over there. Now let's connect our relay module. Again we will take some tape. And over here you can see there are ground input, two inputs and one output. Similarly over here, these are the connecting wires for this particular relay module. So we will connect that positive to positive, then some data cables for the two inputs. like this. These pins are for touch pins that we will connect with this kind of touch sensors, right? We can keep the rest of the wire in place. Then we will take this box module and we'll try to place the things. It will be like that, and we'll try to place the socket first. You need to just press it a bit and it will get fixed like this. Similarly for the switches, make sure you take wire in first and then you can put the switches over there, or touch switches over there, like that. So here we have taken up the four mainly. One is for controlling the light bulb, one is for controlling the socket, one is for controlling the fan, right? So we are not taking this as manual switches, we're taking those as touch switches. Whenever someone want to control it manually, they can just touch it and manually they can control, or with Aigis with voice command they can also do that. So these connections we can do over there in this place, but before that let's try to connect this circuit board over there. So these wires we will connect one for socket, and as mentioned in this, one will connect to the AC supply and another will go to the common of our relay module. So we will connect the wire over here, one for phase and one for neutral, and the neutral one will, or phase one will try to connect it through relay, and that's how we'll put it in normally open side. So this is for example a neutral wire, and this is directly we can connect it to the AC side of it, our power supply. So I'm just taking again towards the AC side of the box, so you can check it like this. This is our AC side, right? And this is going to be our phase, so we'll cut it a bit and then we will try to put a relay in that, right? You can take 4 mm or 2 mm wire, that will be good. So we'll be taking any one of the relay. It's best to put it at normally open, so between these and these we will add that, so whenever it triggers it will make these connections. First we need to open this. And another side we will take it to AC supply, right? So the AC supply will flow like this. Whenever it connects it, so it connects this and supply to that. I've taken a bit heavy wire, so it gets lower whenever your particular input is a bit lower, so that also you can have it. So this way you can take it out for the AC supply, right? And same for the our bulb. This is also the same kind of wire, so then we'll connect it to another relay side. One wire directly goes to neutral side of AC supply. Right. I'll just open it up a bit. And another side we will cut it into half, and one side go over this side. And another wire we can connect it over here and pass it to AC supply, right? Or we can just short it as well with this particular wire. So this is how it will get connected. Actually, I just added on the top. This one need to be taken up from their side. So one will go to AC supply as a neutral, and one will put over here like this. So this way mainly you can connect these things, and just later you need to just connect all those jumper wires as a touch sensor. Just connect those pins to this. No need of VCC, ground or something, because ESP32 give you flexibility to have touch switches, right? So this is how you can take it and fix it up like this. And then adding some screws to cover it up. This will also be taken good as an extension wire. So whatever is coming over here is for the AC supply. Black one is usually for the neutral, and phase and neutral we have marked over there. So this is how you can do that and fix these things, right? Like this. So this is how it will look like mainly. So they can connect through these things and manually, and with voice command relay will control this and this socket. Also it will directly regulate the fan. You need to provide the fan input as well. So this is how, as per this circuitry, we have done the connections.